Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 4 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupon matchups. And in today's video, we're going to be going over food clearance. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. So first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of videos for you all this week. We have 3 videos talking about all kinds of glitches going on at Dollar General right now. Plus, we had new clearance markdowns, plus a huge penny list with surprise pennies. And of course, I have been uploading clearance event videos for you all week long. So here's just a few categories that we have already covered. We've already went over paper and laundry items. We have also covered household items, cleaning supplies. Also, we have some baby items, pet food, all kinds of good stuff. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, if you are new to shopping the Dollar General clearance events, if you have any questions, I would highly recommend you go and check out this video right here, How to Shop Dollar General Clearance Events. Pro tips included. I go over all of the most frequently asked questions. I have pictures, visuals, all kinds of good stuff in that video, so make sure that you go and check that one out. It will be the very first video linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at our food clearance category. Now, just like the other categories, this is a pretty big category. We have a lot of items included, a lot of new items, a lot of exciting items. We do have a few coupon matchups, not a whole lot, but that is to be expected with a food clearance category. But make sure that you guys watch the video all the way through, because we do have some really good deals on some name brand items. Now, while we're taking a look at these items, I do want to go ahead and give you all a little heads up, because I am uploading this video so late in the day on Thursday. It has just been a crazy week with all of these glitches popping up and everything else in between. So I am putting this video out a little bit later in the day on Thursday. But I do want to go ahead and let y'all know that I still plan on putting out a video on Friday. So that will be our first day of the Dollar General clearance event. So make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on. I still have more deals that I need to share with you all. So again, make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on. And if you could do your girl a huge favor, please watch these videos all the way through. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. A lot of people really don't understand the power that you guys hold. And when y'all do those little things really quick for me, it really does help me out. And my videos perform so much better when you guys participate and kind of interact with the video. And trust me, before I had this YouTube channel, I didn't give any of those things a second thought. I would click on a video, fast forward through it, skip through it, not hit the thumbs up, not leave comments, and I just really didn't understand how important all of those things really are. So please don't forget to do all the things. Now, I'm going to turn on a little bit of background music, and I'll be back with y'all here in just a few minutes. Check out all of these hostess that have just recently joined our new clearance markdowns. Alright guys, now we are almost to the end of the video now, and I just wanted to jump back in to remind everybody, make sure that y'all check your rebate apps, clip any offers that you need to have clipped. Make sure that you have all that done tonight before you go out shopping tomorrow. And also make sure that you check those couponing accounts. I know some people still have the coupons.com app. Some people have now moved on to ShopMem. We also have the Alexa app as well. So make sure that you have all of your coupons clipped, all of your rebates clipped, and ready to go for tomorrow. And then, of course, once you get done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, especially on all of these food items, because on a lot of these brands, like General Mills, all of that is included in the Fetch Rewards programs. So if you're not already signed up on all of these rebate apps, you definitely need to go and do that. We've got Shopkick, Fetch, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Ibotta, and I'm sure there's a couple of more that I'm not mentioning, but if you're not already signed up, I have all of my referral codes and links in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. So make sure that you go and check that out. Make sure that you're signed up and ready to rock and roll for tomorrow. Now, like I said, y'all make sure that you stay tuned, turn on those notifications, because I have even more awesome deals to share with you. So before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do all the things. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.